Alright, so everybody, I'm having to make dill pickles, and I figured I'd take you along for the ride, doing a little short video. Here I am taking off the ends of the pickles and slicing them up. I got a bunch of pickles to do, or cucumbers. These are pickling cucumbers. When I get done chopping them up, I'll get back with you. Alright, I'm done chopping the cucumbers up to make the dill pickles. Now, this is the dill spice sauce. See, whatever. Going into the jar. That's going to go into the jars. I got it heating up. Got my jars, my rings, and my lids all ready to go. I use my lids are from 4 Jars. I love that company. Alright, so now I'm filling up the jars with the pickling cukes. Getting it ready. Then I'm going to pour the liquid over, the dill liquid over these, and then you water bath them. These are pint jars, so they'll go in the water bath for 10 minutes. And you want to leave a 1/2 inch head space. Alright, now I'm filling up the dill liquid to the, that is so pretty, to the jar. Make sure that is up to a 1/2 inch. Then I'm going to take my, what I call a Pokey Joe, it's just a chopstick, and get any air bubbles out. Work it to the bottom here. You want any bubbles out of there to get a good seal. Alright. Check that head space again. And you can get these right here that have the measurements right here, so you can check, and you see right there at a 1/2. So we're good. Move that to the next one, or over one. Got me some vinegar right here. Bring up that paper, and we're going to go around the rim really good. So this can be really sticky, especially if you use the sweet pickle one. It will get really sticky. But you want to clean the rim of the jar really good. And then put the lid on, put the band on, right there, put the band on, and then you can set it in the water canner and you get on with the next one. Alright, now that I got that jar out of the way, start this next one. Just kind of show you again. Pouring the liquid into the jar. You don't want to go past the 1/2 inch head space. We're kind of close there. Alright. And take Pokey Joe. So what I'm doing here. Make sure you get in the middle too. Get all the bubbles out as possible. And you see that the liquid's below, so I can add a little bit more. A little bit more. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's where we need to be. Alright. And once again, take a towel or a cloth, clean cloth, with vinegar wrung out. Clean the edge of your jar real good. Like this. Put a top on there. And put a band on there. Finger grip tight. Don't tighten them. Don't crank down on them. Just finger band tight. Or finger grip tight. That one's going to go in the water bath canner, which is on the stove already ready to go. And I'm going to fill the rest of these and I'll get back with you. They're all done and out of the water bath canner. This is the leftover juice. I'm going to let it cool down, put it in the refrigerator and use it for something else. And we're just waiting to hear the pings. How pretty they look. That one's already pinged.